Ebusuan for emwakwa baby me ka mo say if you ochina 1st October echo Wild at Heart Mercruise na mohwe ya monije ho no yesanso so repeat biem kan no ebonwuma na eda o say encore nti ebesan ababiem roda aohye o TK anopai amani ajepa ne mumye ha me ne se me ko bibia ni na me nim se biduru ho amenya YouTube esrem momoden ase ho ibenya bia hwese de be ye bekoso e de ato aso afri ho TK so waje wani so ene mi ntimi nidi nti waje wani so nati ena de we say by nati enye ye nyina kakra aha ye ne kakra nyina ye ho aduro nti ena no pay enuanom a mbeka ye ho ede nkotwetwe ebremu honorable titles global ba no ka tema ho asem sa na me kondo se me kwa kwatena tema ho bi nti o ha from tema east with love honorable akwaba ezim I was up mama sa so tema na me better o constituency mo ho bi yate what is what be me an answer say tidis wo ntu pe bia oba tidis se bi wo nko ade a no mo hweta ara onyi ni se bi wo mi de mi na mi hwa asase no so tidis na hwe so ti oba na ko tidis ya for application form
okay
na
ma copy bi
se bi wo wa mi gidi say be ma obi
okay
because juma wo bole de wo bojuma pa
that's
chairman 1 Joseph Kobna Adekoka ono ayete se Muhammad Ali no contenders na sanlai no bia through challenge chairman akwaba boko so
and pay na mo show answer na mo ba ni raba na enyi ne program no adwa dey man award
de mo hu
o deserve award vim o deserve award
yes speed out the bag you must have no break on
the me say adwa na no to pa o ka tumbu afọ asem
oh that's you say tumbu afọ better pe yo honorable Nensem no doso nti me bo so na mo angasa wa shase fi bia me shase fi so honorable o ka tumbu afọ asem de unua kodwadu asara say oye saka na say reassignment na secondment na say dey wo ho UN team omeso maba Ghana say Ghana ye center yemwa na yintu Ebola na say fortunately for us enya ma ha die ebi no say dey bi o mususu say dangerous ebi no say no kwan no especially ebra ye president na ye chairman no DC bi so akoka twe a we judicial twe a amana ho ache no so ho nti so be ka bi dey final there's a BDC story bi ho eti honorable ere de megagum enti wa papers na de e order no aka na ko so kwa e ba fefe bi amesi na na
oba no me hu no ya kama pa o
oh okay yeah
where the Vicky type ni bi
I see
but big kind story is your corporate affairs manager wo First Atlantic Bank o say you be bomb pie say adwuma no obetuma since she's coming from the financial background because sika 10 million Ghana cedis 100 billion enyesika kuma anti you be say sika no e be ye but me hu dwene me kakra tike ni adu wa yedai
oh so nya hwe
na okoyi nsema no e wo commission ho ena asema ye bisa no ni onim no ena yi ano but the hono ya hwe we kire no ehun se na no yi no anko papa me kaje imani pinimpa Franklin Kujo e de betu dwaze David asema si say na say ye di 10 million cedis a share in service on hwe dia and there was a president show yi na ye say yi nkofo dia ni ado ne wo say yi ne di Elvis na ye disika de share in some
that's what we free minister
look I'm disappointed in the president with the greatest of respect to his office I'm worried in the first place ejuma na wo dia ba say ye nya no ne ye hwehwehwehwum no everything what's woman akonya waso ye ho hwenim guase de go man no ne woman akonya e wo wakache enum ti otwika chese
da bia no otwika ansa
Elvis no ni awaye no ohunfu nso e wo so e no mampani no asuro no e no woman be tra ne nchen na edu asa de na waye
nipa na wodi sika sei sika pudo sei edi ahye ne nsem so nkɔhwɛ so wa gyan mu wodi be yinedi adan osoro no ana is it because Elvis was his campaign chairman? I'm disappointed in the president.
And you're jumping the gun.
Look, Wakase is going on to me Elvis, on to me Foko. I'm saying this. I'm saying Elvis, on to me Foko. Because I gone besoa, Efianopa. A Juma, I walk Elvis, I could di. I will Brazil, no. Says the was so tenefi. They would take the president serious. Now, a revelation is a look at the good job these commissioners are doing. Look at the good job on earthing nyama ekoso ewo Brazil. Ye pesika dia ye dwuma kra ye nyabi. Ni ye kukuru sika sei. Momfanko enko tigana nim emfama yen. Na wo ba ya nipa akọ ya dia enye a. Na wa mana akonya ombetra mo nchen ewo Jubilee House. Is he serious as a president? I'm disappointed in him. Nyoye no na kire said Elvis nyoye no otanachi. That is exactly what the president is doing. A human of Elvis called here Brazil. The president is backing him for them he has misconducted himself.
And you're contradictory. On one has set up commission.
Ade. Address are we in Evazabay?
But Honorable Titus Glover, address are say ye need
yeah politics.
Yeah man say uncle ye juma na okoye no ye wie.
Openyini. Yeah nyam mofra bo kromwa. Me bra penny neti hai or me chairman or me leader. Yeah politics. E didn't to me ba bonten embe kaze e juma e catch them say you think is happy of what has happened? We are not children. Ye nyam kwala.
Also on ye peeved. Me tie ne
ye ka wo me kasa brusa kasam. We nyam wo wa. Enya ngwa enya agrodi ne yedi. E didn't to me ba bonten embe catch Ghana man say oh ye juma ye de ma me ndi ma ye ndi me there be we yi ne free ho. We yi ne free ho. Na nia ye de juma kese ne share ne nsam. So onkohwe ne onya nia ye. Look, the supporters were supposed to be given $10 a day. $10 a day. Then they buy. Koche baby aye ton nyadoa jene money any kobi nipa no kwa yesua $20,000 many we sika e de man for all you know your friend nipa no kwa baka je say sika no kwa anka ne nsam ye wa bibi kakra na ye de man. And you have a minister of youth and sports, former. He's going around laughing. It's only in your mama's government you see some of these things that is going on. It is sickening. It is very annoying that you have a president who is endorsing corruption, a former minister of state. Why you be say no man konya e office? It was a why day. And a mama
The Densu River is killing us in Makukubo. I feel this paper, Sir Titus and Chairman Adekuka. God bless you. TK, why is my BC placement pending? Okay, I'm saying pending. And the text message be I say Robert from Atunsu and Ebisasa question. No, Chairman, sack, reassignment, withdrawn, and I say dear baby. Wouldn't you say or feel say we dear a yino? Sudden people so drink.
Oh, each year. It's when I wash and I pay. I mean, chat them easy for the temperature and I pay. The
real is so better consideration.
And they pay of it tomorrow, but we don't know on traffic jam. Release the pressure, though. Now, we have with the president to do. Why a commission? They be a cade or a commission finding soon. Yenina ye boshe ma obesi. Ne wunya eduasare. Nanka so fina no was in there why then. What's why reassignment? Inti say nipa ko na was it ma why reassignment? Chanu ye bosom na bika to code by me and you
we're not
there. Inti ebia so why reassignment yen to met na ye interpret there or ye reassignment I'm the opedman nti baby we na ka sense of also about now nti I'm asamba come on anyi
sir
can be so. Because I'm for Cassa. Oh, say, I dare know. I mean, say, Cassa coincidence was say. A bra, Imani for shots, says from Carcass, answer one for Saturday, pencils now. A bath for cranum say you say, you know, you know, until say, your friend no Uncle Sabe confirm say, I only hope him. And yes, I had no quack. But a brother, man, yes, and also no. It was a loud yes, I will be at tea. So, tell my dead partner, as no show.
Sister, why you invented yes? Into Fandama. I also a reassign. Into you be to but none you interpret reassignment. I think that's only we are. Every time I comment on it. Me pay them comment for that.
Okay, you share near doing say you share a couple of times. Na also me say you me buni nyayemboa na ye madian engineer.
Yeah,
we should not politicize. In fact, he approached me. Ewo Ajiringano Goyle. He's a very good friend. And
I know so you're very passionate, or he would have been passionate about this.
He's so passionate about it. And also is also saying my young politicize adiano because ye edi aboa of mine and indeed if you took a come one and I'm a demand and eventually I did ever done at the nyina we're all happy about it say maybe be until Brazil commissions semia okoina dey adi yazi e duani plate e be kosu say you could do Brazil you do na price assessor I mean catering ma you don't want trust aye verbal contract that dey nyina you could do na assessor figures and then member na kodwo tike and then member and you kodwo Bama de wo ba kodwo mo ebia wo betwi beko bi na wo pese wo ye bibi ntentem na wo go to nyado no je ne bi ne nam na wa waba ba pa se wo di sika hye wo sam e kodwom e kodudwe bia e be guvia ene se bi ye bema sansani excuse me we ye bema sansani e man de kodwom e di sika no moment they are the best managers of our homes. Your duty is to make sure we provide this sika then they will manage the home for us but you call Brazil and mama and you could jump and you could digga near the bar. Your master citizen come. Abba president.
So the president I had dear.
Abba president.
Titus. What's in the president to know? Why a commission? Why a commission?
You see, Chairman. Politics wouldn't even me. Miss Yamfrey more. But president so ye be so cleaner. In corporate world. BBC says the board will compel that person to leave office. They need a proper investigation. You know who someone they may be but woman office. Office.
But that's our office, no. Any commission, no any relationship be.
Master, he must be asked to go and sit in the house.
On coffee.
In the corporate and world.
That better so coffee when you bet.
What does it mean? That is
no,
a no.
When you bet just step no, not necessarily say.
Because no, you know, me sika no say no. You gonna for sika yes say no. But you see, ya dear, am I a bonsam and your mom and penia? One ya dear night hunting. Now you say, dear, we are song. When you're back, now when you're back.
Okay.
The fact that the commission about the abuse in the area, that is not Nipan coffee.
1441 Commonly DBA chairman. It's also a country. Okay, let me show you. UN team on Ebola emergency response arrives in Accra. Now, a month for say Ghana, yes, you announced to say per se Ebola pa. But on the sidelines, but to say, be say, Usisenka Center, I don't care if I'm Kobe Bikrana, Adena and Kasawo. Nayan Kusiano Preco.
Tiki. Yenya dama intervention where Ghana.
Yeah.
Other you at least no or confidence are UN or in Ghana.
Yeah.
Because most of United UN institutions, most of them no, they're outside Ghana. Some are in Abidjan and Dakar, those kind of places. And to say what the be about Ghana is from now very important. Ebola no do her. And to say was about Chrome was about Ghana. Obama yen so ya boyan ban because facilities now obenya that boy young ban no this UN team no
yeah
what baba
and 100 so bet na Ghana
no I'm not a good news the president will take initiative there across world United Nations or can about Ebola in terms that I don't know what that was it offended headquarters of Ebola eradication Aba Ghana. And I think it's a good thing. It's a good and so the resources now. Nyankasa yes yenyi bi na yɛde ya ban no. At least you know oba obeste ansa na ya hwɛ yenu adum na wo Liberia na Sierra Leone. Nti I think bibi order ya for do ne yen so yen bre na won so doctors medical doctors so this opportunity for them so about corner we kosua Ebola no medicine into we shouldn't say that because Aban Ebola is going to come no it's far-fetched or a bit out there embrace and then we try and make sure that the relevant medicines are obecure no yenu anom no one saka because you are careful by the end of this year what's about 20,000 people will be affected with the disease and yes all of them are it is becoming an epidemic a pandemic into other I think it's in the right direction.
When your impression be say as a Ghana you prepared say you be kwade no sa impression now say that
you know because the president lucky for us only chairman of ECOWAS into the responsibility no so wabada no do and it's very important Ghana most of the time you need to take lead in most of things that happens in Africa
in spite of ABBA
among for we are talented enough to take the lead in a lot of these interventions. I think it's kudos to all of us. So there, it shows the confidence the world over so all there yes we no the Ghana no yankasa no confidence. How about us? It goes a long way to show how about us. What is our confidence level? It is a confidence able so that mazima then a big mistake. I think it's the right direction.
How about that, Glover? I prepared. And we say MPB or baby, Missa say, most of some recess. Na mo ba no mo so ye be si Ebola center ni bi parliament ni mo ho
ana me man tu kwan
ye be screen ni mo
men tu kwan
ko some ko bi tu kwan
e bi mo tu kwan I'm sure I mean say bi mo tu kwan
ye screen ni mo
na me nim say mo tu kwan mo honko bibia Ebola ni bi wodo fa o da bi o mo nko ho but ye tie say em say ni kwan so ano na enwo se ye twen ema yare ni bi ba ansa na ya tu wana mo and say you even saying atu impenyu for say one mbra no mbeboa ya mze ne kwaso ano president o kasa wo UN no ode to ho more so are the impacts as a chairman of ECOWAS say apart from individual requester countries na here to world bodies any advanced countries, you know, and also being the chairman of ECOWAS, and also, or Nanu Tumwa, ebe kwechirepa, and I'm sure because of saying some Mokoka and Ama 1 year ban, they've also given Ghana $1 million. Yeah. WHO. Yeah. And I'm China for so China Skabi. And the one is a yedi be nyama ebema prevention no ebeboayen. Nyama dom ebi nyinsi ha but nhihia yedi ye no ebeboaye wo batema is one of the centers. Wunam from the Ashabo overhead na wusi eko runabout kitwe bi na wo do ni General Hospital. Baby ambulances ni esi no. We shall war na chi a obunzo maye mark bi ewo ho like a tent. It's an Ebola center at the General Hospital. Yeah. You be restricted patients no ho near ndi. I was say bomb ampini na baso. Say in sema ko kan UN. Oh UN. Yasum na yetum ko for ediaba. There are so many techniques on betray here. I'm sure they are not coming with their empty hands. They didn't run in nyama so be count their bar. They be come particularly the border areas. ye border areas no e wo se ye hye ho so afi mpoano nso ye nuano nso mo tukwan e Cote d'Ivoire Sierra Leone any Liberia e kopo na de no ye ba e wo se ye de ani e di chiripa from Togo side wo so nyina e wo se ye hwe na ye make sure say ye di nyama emergency systems nyina e di tuye obi bia o e bia no na ye hu se ni abesi aye no you know so that oba na ye de gun no a kire wo machine bi to test you say ampa wo ade bi wo bia na twu asinchen almost omoba by road no so Nigeria hono eba ne so say was it very keen you do your border ho they should scrutinize everybody so seriously they make sure say ya the body there ya maybe see ya kan Ebola no yeah the most killer ones are high in cholera no
say so yes your version no
yes your version of Ebola
no version no
if you ya dos
honorable as I speak to you meaning places be what adenta almost say mams omo bola yen society meanwhile omo tue sika ma waste info and omo so need be bi omo so do be ko
it's serious
it omo yeah so that you can yes bola no wa bonten is fie ho ankasa
it's serious na enra me nam form me from my office and I may call me but the before oversight 21 me nam police station anim me free police station me call baby I me call no na young man be approach me or shop e wo kwa no no say one up am say yes o say na say Ebola na whatever no because assembly ne say enkofo number 2 Ebola no good tema market because the market refuse no it is solely meant for Igwadifo no mojo mo no but residents need be free mia within the surrounding site no no me Ebola no ba ho and the debia na ho no ayema and it say assembly aye ne say wo obetu Ebola bia wo so tiaka wo just say and the answer say ye gis kanenti obi ya small of na so ko hwa na hwa no nia na wa jabolo na odi ato and jabrante ne catch him say honorable adi enye wo hwe polity black kese Ebola ne ye gede gugu evidence no bebre enti ye hwe disposal no adi ana ha bebre say tema landfill site no ebeyama any moment from now because all of Ankranyina ye de begu tema ye ni bebia biom and the bibi say to bam boom especially any Bethlehem area hono any Bandosa area ebe di kaka di amanti emergency no yemfa bi nko emergency no yemfa bi nko because we are sitting on the time bomb
as early as possible
we are sitting on the time bomb
chama no person can be
yeah take ye problem ni disposal say ya resolve how to dispose of waste na dama heaps of garbage, you know.
But Chama, I don't know. You.
But we say, I'm beside there. There's a lot of technology in the world over. Because I call other countries, you see, you can't reinvent the wheel. You add to it. Until maybe beside there, other countries, what waste to know. Up to now, Ghana.
But Chama say you now.
That is what all the focus attention on.
To say crimes waste man you in school or Ghana how?
You can't call it a waste. The final disposal on any problem no. Because if you are not able to have enough avenue ever dispose waste, then you can't collect. Because a collector it go in. I think all of us as a people should address all the MMDCs and local government minister. You address the disposal. How are we going? You invest in that area.
Maybe I'll say a funny say a emergency situation because
it's a national security issue. National security issue.
Human security for the also mobile.
Yeah, absolutely. Because national security is about the protection of the executive. When we because who lose human resource opening
if you are not able to
this is a national security
resolve the disposal issue.
So I will dispose all these things, you know.
TK your bad DC assembly so DC ben and you said not to me Paul eta offense na bisa we say na ho asem sisi a honorable Titus Glover me di ho ya papa wona out wona say e ma na enkodwum be ma na nyi sika ma na enkodwum no oba be enkodwum na ayede was we a traditionalist papa
Honorable so the no. Sorry, the president must act now. Says Mama Tazuso. TK, the President Mahama pa name mum political will ne courage ne dear unibi crack so the be corruption. Chama Adekoka Mahama and the NDC. David Bob Kumasi no. Me said no about Titus Glover small kind the ne kwan so a na was say free and can ye man tena fie commission ni we findings na so be ba na wa ba TK bisa honorable Titus Glover me say ne party ba mfie nwotwe no wan na eso ye corruptor ne president Kufo no de ne tumu araba cape ko se mi misa wo ma no wo so hwan ye de ne tumu a wo be ka se obi nkoku bi no honorable Titus Glover asema wa kana de me no ya adwe me gidi se obi obedi bode ne ye ba ne nkotena nchen kura na wa mfane ho amefra France mu Desmond nsawom na de we say e baaye TK ka chairman Adeko ka se o se na wa de omu NDC aswafo no o so omunya den omudisika na se den pacho twi no twa no atwere yi ebisa abe ya no ma Jerry Rollins Isaac takura de no nka Brazil yi nka wa ye showdown sisi a TK srawo papa say ya watermali hada de gise autopsy no mo san be yi kire yen biem because ebra na mo ye no na ye fidie no ye twitwi nti ye hunu so papa Judith Tamale and do with buyer DC or say a dreadful aquafa court assassin after school assassin ye de deni ade adentino obetu omo a dreadful no dia asem no e court the court no court today the kind of buase we be ya DC in clear omo no say there be omo ante omo ho ase enti omo akoye stay omo akoye application say ye stay execution because omo be kwa appeal e de craft kwa akoma DC is one ye ko fan some ba ye de ko ba ya say DC ya to be a manager for papa and yes na no ye logo DC ye ne ba court say awe wo na asese no be ma na ye some na kan ne san be ka bi mo ha bi enti ye si tape ya some o kan na ye boma ni tie ye ko wi ase a kireba o so mu we adwa ko man o si DC nkoda mu 2 weeks honorable
TK
share ade obi kofie contempt di obi akotu
emra oman e wo mu amra nya adwuma no na oman no ebebo the fact say political leaders ye yen esi kunkunkunku ano ye di omanfo enu e wo so ye di obuo edi mamra no because we live in a society semranya adwuma there will be chaos impunity obi asore de openo eno na ya bebre se me DC na president amanfo bebre wasa municipality and not district they are equally competent people more qualified than you but adom no wuso ene toye ene mampeni fa wo ko sima nemu na sum oman no na wusum no because mampeni yedi ayi weni chane sem no o say he's going to abide and respect the constitution and timrai wo oman no no ono mampeni wo disuo na wo na soafo wusum oman no on his behalf na edi ase ni asem no edwa yesi na se edwa yesi na edwadifo na wusi eyi na ma wo omsom no nya adwen wo bibi so all you need to do is to engage them na yentrase na wa wonfa wo to me because you are the district security chairman or security council and you sorry ya de opebia and na wo ye na se ya be serve wo so ye si twen asem ni ye kan ye nyan wie ye wie a bebia beto bia no ni yakọ na bibia akọ kama na wudi we agiman kebian kebi na court very is a belief ba won chan ya say the telephone there recording there who kaza na wasuzu akaza wo wonim ne bebia di ubakọ
wonim pakura
and na wonya botre kakra bi anka bibia wode unda ho abutra wonye nti ebu awu mfa ma court nti ene hwe wo bu mampeni nani mase we dia wa ye no kro e chantwi adisi no wo dia se wo mampeni no wo gu nani mase kra ene wa se wo record as convict awuda prison enti ni oye ye no wanye ni ye na mima other MCs DCs emfansu ade se ye ma wakonya bi se kokoso mo a emfansi wo se wo de because we chief executive nti wo be ye dia wo pe emra no so wa adenza bezema mantumi ngoso dum e ba ne sa no president oye na djuma wo regional minister oye na djuma wo
say be adwun so oh yeah adwuma ma president
you can just get up and why dia bia opebia but this say patchokra no man say debi and way as severe as a deterrent am I nyina I'm an MP I'm a leader and the bibia na was yenya the extreme caution yenya butre onya buteka kremia anga bibia koyi ankonko me gidi pa say anko siki audience po with judge no anga ni suba boano because at the end when saka mo you can even book an appointment to meet her leadership so Mr. Misaka Gwadie though you can even on the quiet explain bibi in camera e actually judge no you better to say but when you butre who said dinner tem account and one unfortunate thing is that judges you know you are a lawyer to be come asemo by their training they can't come out and speak publicly the only time when judges or kasano when he or she is sitting or tina quarter or kasa yenejuma they don't have life their lives are programmed social events cry do baby cry na head because who baby obekwa ebia na obi wo case bia wudia you know obi bakaka say ebia na judge we say and who home life are obli no so reserved one in kasa obekwa baby amako bakwa sorry most likely but a social event that they hardly go out and as someone in kasa nti the strength and in the power no ewo na djuma na oye no enti ye di we be faso na ye di sua de say ye di adwuma hye ye nsem a e wo say enya botre ye mbu mra no na mra no so enye na adwuma we de ma democracy no ye bia
was asem na akofa ba ye chairman bia wo so be na nyina ye nwene ho be pese ye de no na be wie enne and say binum say yes and sese obi be super court obi di quarters atemne ade but omadwen so ya yo mo say enka koba ne say se obi ka court bi ho asembone a na koba se be frɛ na amana ba ensese nka ye sa judge kro na ye sa na akoye se judge kro na no tena na asemu asan adi na ye nyina so ne se ye wo mra ye dibu o ma se rules of natural justice say ye nyina ye tua
we no na we lawyer
there be some men can be me
na ma chaba
tike pedem we said the tape is it admissible in evidence
say dear
I know a bit my mind there and we say lawyers no tape there and there somewhere that work mo so can be admissible
say you admit yes
more
it's part of your documents no
because
so Kaya Supreme Court contempt case no one of them MC Justice Tubakura ka so be tape recorder no before the commission may representative will be tape recording
because any big kasa no or tape without your consent it's not violation of your privacy.
Yes, and also so BB. But
because me no didn't corner recording me. You are violating without my consent. You are violating my privacy. Anyway, because that is what I thought the lawyer no. I thought he was going to plead that in there. Or your privacy. Why infringing the privacy? Anyway, because I recorded him, it was Anyway,
I think on deny so say or can so.
Oh,
one deny.
But my if voice on tape, you been why record the voice on that baby. You could play but the important thing is humility. Most of when I woman in a juma or no. Oh yeah, we free baby we fi in a baby we would do. Oh yeah, very very important. Because sometimes a opposition be in a field there I would need all that surveys. I would need nimpa a kanjisesa in a edu heaven. Until I mean there or a lesson to all of us, all government appointees. There, baby, you are there at the pleasure of somebody. Ejuma na ye no ibi nti na ewo ho no enwa nti oto no bo asikakra na am there anyway all you happen to him now sometimes the human failures no sometimes nyeme bi wo wa e bia no so feel there azor ye no or ya boa community no na ebi so all put impediments in his way enwa nti oya development mu the pedo develop market na mo wankasa na ebi no so what resist enwa oya the development on kodo but I have wished the judge no so nti obo hwe the DC no oya the president's representative even though wato we misbehave in himself or then or share the larger picture the papa or represent the president into inverted commas such as the wagely president miniature president
enya no so ntina ebia no kwantina be na na adwen sere da bi na me jili no
respect to the rule of
be example
na me che there nyame bi wo ho so a na I share the implications. Sometimes I were a lawyer. Sometimes about the suspended sentence and then first warning. In the wama why but a whole DC, a whole DC district chief executive. You set since your oko law books more or your president. Why the man? Are we expanding the frontiers of democracy?
In fact, newspaper be crack can say, the first public official maybe I will be
or there share because or president representative the says the politics kashima why at take a crack and then that now of be fra being komo the area no area now DC or operate one or a strong I mean your politics but they can't some or a strong MPP domain into the man all along has been facing problems opposition into on the man do in I'm the old bulldoze new way through the inner way because the actually many politics were but as someone must be investigation no that more fra forward there what is now what catch a strong MPP area into there's a lot of friction going on there into all the man or then in Pacono her lordship her ladyship no or then no so or share the nuances in the area but it boils down there these things or then so onya botel and onya some humility no so whatever
the provocations
no
that is if any no because believe you so be serve who accept
no
service maybe our contest say be will be also contest
na until oye azibia all there you share the implication the long term and future implication of such kind of decisions for our body politic are very important.
But I don't know.
You can be an info we say I buy up a month for say you see Ghana ha clarion call ne say when you need
I don't think he deserves that. I mean, he was doing his work. Was he the passion? He was carried away.
Passion,
no, you know, Jaja said, "Who said court? 1 year chrono, 1 bon chrono, yeah. Court na obu ni mtia. because opposite sidwa no.
That's right.
And now Crawford say baby obesi dwa there's a problem. And court say train you trash him ye. He should be allowed to continue with this job. For me, president should not take him off. Ombo krono.
Onko so nye na
juma. And when the man so obetu ne boase. What does say? Oba odibesua de.
Obesua.
The president has got a prerogative of pardon. Obetu ma pardon. Na me anamo pardon na ochobe we fi jail. President Obama no prerogative.
With the president the confirm beka say oye ni pentina.
Oh, but na today mamunu ya hurricane. What was the cause? What was the effect? What was he trying to achieve? Enwa opedo also market. O different obubu no obumarket no obey ni yamo to the benefit of the larger society. Enwa you know face resistance. That is why opedo your way on that level. The what was he trying to do? So you wakade or for market na manu and I'm not sit here to say anything about it. But no pedo or develop the area. Ebi ansuta na nkofi market was in yaka cholera.
Earlier on the story we say omo ye de dey wo ho na
yaka cholera.
Yes, bi nim kra encroach court lands na
if it was protecting the property, state property. I know the other mitigate with so may.
I'll be very disappointed and hurt if the president takes him off, because continent will book continent him. The president can call him and caution him that in future he have respect for the courts, because because outside the court the judge is in because he is in charge of the security. Ever district hall. But Abu take a crowd when and then Nakose. So the president, he should caution him. The regional minister should be able to caution him and allow him to go back and do his job. And now when you go
Tika, I like your show. Keep it up and knock 1+1. Bobby as Tiki catch the chairman at the Kokase on one Kasane mayor. Or say that if land field sites are scarce, they must first excavate any site they acquire before filling it. Charles, his friend, my name is Charles be over. But I call a UPS who say site be over AMA for design a Yakwakusi or say landfill site as a day. And University of Ghana also be Yakwakusi or say they should keep off and
landfill site. No, it is thing of the past.
Thing of the past. TK say President Mahama yesa na only a free yankra eya adwene say wo mu ye den yisi kasa Isaac but also mo twetwi na mo ntwe ne ye na ebi ho ayi hu de pesa mo kire oh Ghana ya ka chi papa aban bia ba sa na be ye nanso we die ye too much gasco so tum TK, can you please help me give this message to you? Okay, all right, okay, yo honorable titles global so on krabia be di ha say okay. Or say okay be about US group of last week.
Mama last week last day. Besa me boom. For this week no me boa no nyina na me effort bi wo ho.
Okay.
Akwa no I was say chino. Sa medicine in bibi. He must be arrested.
As no court.
Ma catch me national security. Omo akwa no e no bon krofo apo.
TK low shed no there some na waka fa ho na me dey na me ka fa ho say if na demu bi na say bi demu sa okay TK from Isaac Kumase catch the honorable titles global say me yesu jani ntimia na me komi dwam tinye ma nko na kodu ma say mo ka synkrofo yeah but process here the government should stop those coming to Ghana. Who knows if one is infected? TK, I like you so much and your two men. And please tell them they are too much. Yes, men can't tell them too much. Active or Isaac. So, what God has put together.
No man.
TK, honorable titles, go up, jail him, sack him too much. I don't say they no. Okay. All right. Okay. The pakona or day you buy now, so you're traditionalist, and I'm sorry, your bar. Me, Papa. Yes. I'm about tea, just 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Niambe can say, we share and the front page chronicle no more. But you see PDC's bulk distribution companies.
Yes.
BDCs,
yeah.
Finished product in the bano. Yanyantias, say, in fact, Chronicle was a bomb basso. There were a couple of weeks ago, or about a month ago, no almost story be say the quality of products on the back is a stop standard. And the matter of boka, you know, they have to improve the standard of food and you use, and the banners are with our vehicles that are suffering. It has here. Then Chronicle has been vindicated. Now what kind story now? I'm saying Madam Abaluko or PRO Emma Refinery no to Abba Bontia be ya no come kase Ose the public affairs manager of Tamale Refinery, Mrs. Abaluko, however, disclosed in an interview with Chronicle that her outfit sometimes adds chemical in order to raise the octane level of some of the products imported by the BDCs for a fee. What does it? And in America, it was here to we refinery no yembo refinery no. So no all near the cruder bibia ye koyi ye nyane nkodoza for all you know bibia ye kwani nyina no ya say your vehicles need their maye we just say and now we share cartels are ye import to finished product no at the expense of refinery no ye beboa no ama wa ye djuma no
sorry na
and never buy because Chairman Rolex ma membo na baso at the time na obefri akonya no so no on the Korean for eco agreement when Mr. Parker was the chief executive of TOR and na residual fluid catalytic cracker no RFC and ye di buy and the momunya other more products no na keke sapon MPP ye buy no ye $230 billion recruit na ye tono ye nua no nubi ene ye di tiaka ye nyama bebre in the refinery it says ya jai refinery na airport ye say ene ye ka crude ye di ba na mu ka di ba nso abu fa papa mrai na mu di substandard now nothing na bu ka kire say you have to add chemicals for a fee so chemicals ye di crude ne ba na ye ya na enua emfa so ne so enti o mampanyini ye serewo refinery save the refinery
Chairman, save the refinery.
To
for so cry yes alcohol no painti.
To asamizi yaka na minimde yes any Saudi company be arrangement oba na oba invest. I hope the government will advance very far on that issue so that last about a month ago or 2 months you can ama fuel as a petrol station to petrol ni windows na one here na wakasa water report no nti we have been clean ourselves because you can imagine the pollution the environment enwa ile nyina oye burden on the state resources enwa nti when say tough when you there nkrofun the substandard fuel or the bar now what nti what is it?
Everything for your day. The camera not to the honorable Titus Global. So I'm being say why the new Titus Global Moonshed and Sana Yasori program. No, so Akotike. Good morning, UTV. You are the best, Batike. I think that
okay,
into the last
mafia.
Tiki, I didn't know the be our day honorable Titus Global now, but now I'm far honorable as a Muslim. Oh, yeah, campaign. Oh, that's some of the everything for a brass. So yeah, sorry. Tiki, bisa honorable, bisa chairman. The cook one say, a person just say, yeah, the man of God to money, the God knows what to mana. Talking about standards, honorable Titus Global or standards once. Ghana Standards Authority maybe somewhere next week is it pre-shipment or destination or hybrid or what?
Or by a committee, no, Trade Industry and Tourism Committee. You actually the acting minister.
Okay.
Say you almost suspended because Parliament approve it.
Okay.
So they need to hold on and more consultation.
Yes.
Because they have not been well informed, well educated as to exactly what they want to do. And the consultation, exhaustive answer. They will look at the way forward.
A bear on one power, mobile national security coordinator.
Angabe papa.
On the next 20 years.
On the next 20 years.
For bar.
The Global MP for Tema is Chairman Joseph Adekye, Greater Accra Regional Chairman. Ono no substantive. Enti ono na our platform no. And I'm only the NET. And I'm aka no so pese omuyi no. Na Chompia die hard. Yes. If at all. I'm say for you page mu ochina nyame aduma ye be san share bi. Me dem so ochina World Vegetarian Day nti ye be kasa fa vegetarianism ho. Ochina be share bi me dem ase.